In the world of technology, where innovation reigns supreme, imagine if I told you that behind every cutting-edge project or application lies a powerful ensemble of technologies, a blend of possibilities. Welcome to Tech Stacks, a collection of tools and technologies powering digital creations. Today, we delve into the world of React.js tech stack, a mesmerizing fusion of potential. But wait, what's a tech stack, you ask? It's the inner workings behind every digital masterpiece. From databases to front-end marvels, back-end, and API connectors, it's a harmonious dance of innovation. React.js tech stack, a trailblazing, solution stack that's rewriting the rules of engagement. Buckle up, because in the tech sensation of 2021, React captured a staggering 40.14% of global web development, embellished over 10 million live websites, became the most desired framework, leaving rivals in awe, garnered the affection of 69.28% of developers. If you're diving into the realm of React, you're in for an exhilarating ride. Curious about the magical advantages? Eager to unlock the secrets behind this tech marvel? Fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to reveal the React tech stacks that are painting the canvas of 2022. Step into the realm of possibilities. Meet the stars of React tech stacks. Next.js. Imagine a world where server-side rendering meets static websites. That's Next.js, an open-source wonder built atop Node.js, gifting you with unrivaled web capabilities. Picture this, Next.js, blazing the trail with 2 million weekly downloads, a symphony of efficiency and brilliance. This isn't just a framework, it's a ticket to seamless web prowess. And the perks? Oh, they're grand. Embrace universal flexibility with responsive design. Shield your data with the fortresses of security. Accelerate development with a treasure trove of components. Now, meet the virtuoso of state management, Redux, the unsung hero behind React's symphony. Oh, the stories it can tell. Redux isn't just a state manager, it's your canvas for crafting complex applications. Why choose Redux, you ask? Let's unwrap the perks. Reusable wisdom for the React realm, a fortress against complexity, the path to a smoother app orchestration. And there's more in this digital showcase. Introducing React Query, the unseen hero, reshaping the way you fetch data. With React Query, bid farewell to code complexities. It's the genie that grants your app the gift of speed. Marvel at React Query's marvels. Simplify data fetching complexities, craft swift, responsive user experiences, conserve bandwidth, amplify efficiency. But what about the stage where creativity takes shape? Enter React Storybook, the playground for UI perfection. It's where UI dreams flourish, unaffected by dependencies. Your imagination, now, unbound. Witness React Storybook's magic. Visualize and polish UI components, create high-quality, tested interfaces, seamlessly collaborate for brilliance. Hold onto your digital hats, because the world of React keeps expanding. Who knows what marvels await? As the curtain falls, the stage is set for your journey with React tech stacks. If you're yearning for innovation, if you're ready to conquer the digital realm, reach out to us at sjinnovation.com. Together, let's script a tale of boundless possibilities. React tech stacks, where creativity finds its canvas, and innovation reigns supreme. Embark on your journey today.